Hello everyone. Here are 10 lines on my family trip. A family trip is a fun time when we travel and enjoy together. Last holiday, I went on a trip to a beautiful place with my family. We packed our bags with clothes, shoes, and many snacks. We traveled by train and saw many trees and mountains from the window. We visited many famous places and took a lot of beautiful pictures. My parents told us interesting stories about the new places we saw. We ate different types of tasty food at restaurants and local markets. A family trip is a great way to relax and take a break from school studies. I felt very happy spending so much time with my mother, father, and siblings. Family trips always give us many happy memories to remember forever.